HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art! Ooh, it's a spooky Halloween pumpkin. Let's learn how to draw it. A nose, the eyes, and a big grin. And now let's draw the pumpkin. Just like that. And lastly, the stem. Why don't we draw some stars around the pumpkin? Just keep going. All around. It looks so good. Now, are you ready to paint? Let's start with green. And now blue. Then some pink. And red too. For the center, let's use some yellow. Purple smile. Fun and spooky. Red for the nose. And green for the eyes. And the stem too. Let's paint all the stars with different colors. First, yellow. Then purple. Some with blue. Here comes the green. Some with red. And we'll finish off with some pink. This looks amazing! A jack-o'-lantern shining bright. Happy Halloween, everyone!